Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I will talk about SQL tutorial from w3school. As part of today's tutorial, I will talk about SQL statement, insert, update, delete, and also null value. So insert, if you want to insert any data in a table, that means you need to use the command insert into, then table name, then you need to specify the column name, then you need to what value you want to insert. Or if you need to insert data, whatever column you have, then you don't need to mention the column name, only insert the all value, it will work. Then update, let's say you inserted some data, you need to update any column for any purpose. It might be mistake, inserted by mistake, or you need to update any city or something else, then you need to use the update command. So update, you need to place update, then table name, then set the value what you want to update, then condition which value you want to update. And also delete command will delete the data from your table, any row based on where condition, delete from table name, then where condition what data you want to delete. So let's say we are inserting a data, we have a 6 column or 7 column in a table, right? We are inserting data by specifying column name 5 column with 5 data. Then there is the extra column 6 column, that there is no value, that value will be inserted as a null. So in that situation, if there is any column value is null, then you need to, when you will run the query, you need to mention you cannot use the null value with equal sign, greater, less than, or not equal to sign. That time you need to use is null or is not null. Those tutorial I will show you step by step from the w3school. This is the short discussion, and it is very simple and pretty much easy. If you practice yourself a couple of times, it will be very handy for you. So let's go to the w3school. Here is the w3school, insert into. So when you will come up over here, w3school tutorial, then from the previous tutorial, just try it yourself. Then you will take, it will take you to the query editor window and run window. Let's say whatever data it is written by w3school, first we will run according to this, thereafter we will modify something and we will run the query. So similar way, restore database, it will give you the table name over here. You see customer table, it has 91 data. So now we'll insert this data in the customer table, and we'll see how it is updated with 92 or not. So as it is, whatever it is insert into, then customer table name, then it is column name, then it is value over here. Then run SQL, you see one data inserted and it is updated with 92. So let's comment out this section, comment this section. We'll run the query, select star from customer, MERS customers, then again run SQL. You see there is a 92. That means we inserted data where country equal to Norway. We'll figure it out, that data where COUNTRY country equal to WAY Norway. Put it second. So run SQL. You see there is a Norway data. This one 4006, city name Stavengers, it is Stavengers, it is inserted. So this time we will delete one column like country. This country will delete, and also here we will modify something, city name, let's say Bogura. Then run SQL query, you see one row inserted. Now it is 94. So once it is 94, let me run the query. Select star from customers. So if you run SQL query, you see 94 data retrieved. So where we mention city equal to Bogra, let me figure it out, that data. Where city equal to Bogra. Let me run SQL query. You see this data we didn't even insert countries, so it is mentioned as a null. Now we inserted but we miss one data, it is as a null. Now we need to retrieve where country equal to null. So let me select a star from customer where country equal to null. If you run this query, it will throw you an error. You see, you have no changes made to database. That means it will not give you any data, because as I mentioned before, when you will use that null value, it will not work with comparison operator like equal, less than, greater than, not equal sign. So is, we can put is null, country is null. Run SQL query, you see where is the null value, it is mentioned as a null. This country is null, this is null. Okay, that means you can insert data through the insert, then based on column name you can insert the data. If you insert whole data, then you don't need to mention those column name. Let's say we'll insert another data without the column name. Insert into, will not put any column name over here. We'll put first is the ID is 95, comma, here is 295, cardinal 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now is the country name, country equal to Bangladesh. So this means here we didn't even mention any column name, because all column we are inserting, that's why we don't need to mention. So run SQL query, here is throwing an error. Basically sometimes editor needs to refresh. Let me copy that code, refresh, let me paste it over here, let's run it. Row affected, that means one row inserted. Now we can retrieve that value. Select star from Bangladesh, sorry, select a star from customers where country equal to Bangladesh. Run SQL query, you see it is retrieve the data. That means either way you can insert. Then you saw that null value, and also now we need to update and delete query. So where country equal to Bangladesh, that's will make where city equal to Bogura dash need to retrieve. Here city equal to Bogura, there is a null value. We need to update this null to Bangladesh, right? Here customer ID equal to 94. Then if you want to do the update, then you need to take update query. Update first is the table name, customers, CUSTOMERS, customers. Set, you need to set the value. Which value? Country, COUNTRY, country equal to Bangladesh. Now there is a 95 data. Which one you want to update? Then you need to place where condition, where. Then you need to put where condition, where country customer ID equal to 94. So that's basically it will update this table, I mean this row data. There will be no null value for the city Bogura. So run SQL query, you see one row affected. Then asterisk comments this one, star asterisk. Now uncomment this query so that I can see that is updated or not. So this one needs to execute. Run SQL, you see there is no null value, Bangladesh is added. That means we did the update, insert, then update is covered. Now we have the delete query. So what delete will do? Delete will do the delete any row, any data from your table based on your query and condition. So let me comment this one. Now write the delete query. So delete from customers, then you need where condition. Let's say we want to delete 94 row data. So this we can copy from here. We need to delete this one. So what we want to delete from customer from customer table, we need to delete where customer ID equal to 94. If we delete this one, here will be data record will be 94. One row will be deleted. So also this is one condition. If it is needed multiple condition, you can put it multiple condition using and any other condition you can use it. So let's run it how it works. So one row affected, you see here is 94 row. So that means delete, it is successfully deleted from table, right? So let me run the query again to see the data deleted or not. In the data level, we see that it is deleted according to query. It is 94 row now. Run SQL query. You see now Bogura 94 row is no more. 94 customer ID is no more. Now it is only one data for Bogura city. So that means insert, update and delete. You got the point how to insert data and how to update data and how to delete data from a table. And also now null value, how it works. If you insert without any data, any column, then it will be inserted as a null. So to retrieve those data, then you need to use the is null or is not null. Null will not go with a comparison operator like equal, less than, greater than, or not equal sign. I believe this tutorial will be helpful for SQL insert, update and delete query and also null query. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.